how to fix Spotify stopping music. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix Spotify stopping music while playing, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have the Spotify application installed over here, and if it says that the music is actually stopping and if it is not being able to load further, the first thing and the first reason why this happens is most likely because of your internet connection. So just go ahead and then check whether or not your Wi-Fi is working fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, also just try to switch to cellular data to see if that helps you solve the problem. If it doesn't, open Spotify, tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then once you're on the page you can see this option called data saver. Most likely you could have data saver enabled. I want you to simply turn the toggles off, as you can see here. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and open up your Play Store. In the search box just type in Spotify, check if the Spotify app has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.